Baking soda, it's probably sitting quietly in your kitchen cabinet right now. You may use it occasionally for baking cookies or keeping your fridge fresh. But what if I told you this humble white powder could become your best kept beauty and wellness secret? In this video, we'll uncover 11 incredible, life-changing uses of baking soda for women, from skincare miracles to hygiene hacks, weight loss boosters, and even feminine care. These are natural, affordable, and scientifically backed tips you'll wish you knew sooner. So grab a pen, hit the like button, and let's dive in. 1. Natural deodorant that actually works. Forget expensive, chemical-laden deodorants. Baking soda neutralizes body odor naturally by balancing pH and killing odor-causing bacteria. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a little water to make a paste. Apply it under your arms and feel fresh all day. Perfect for women with sensitive skin or those looking to switch to a natural lifestyle. 2. Bye-bye pimples and acne. Struggling with breakouts? Baking soda's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce acne, blackheads, and even prevent future pimples. Create a simple face mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water or honey. Apply gently. Leave for 5 minutes and rinse with warm water. Use this 2 to 3 times per week to see clearer, smoother skin. 3. Whiten teeth without the dentist. That smile can sparkle naturally. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that helps remove surface stains from your teeth. It also neutralizes acids in the mouth, preventing bad breath. Mix with a few drops of water or lemon juice and brush your teeth once a week to see visible results. Note: don't overdo it. Use this no more than once a week to protect your enamel. 4. Heal and soften cracked heels. Dry, cracked heels can be painful and embarrassing. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15–20 minutes. This helps soften dead skin, remove odor, and makes your heels silky smooth. Finish with a pumice stone and moisturizer for best results. 5. Feminine hygiene savior. Yes, you read that right. Baking soda can help maintain a healthy vaginal pH, reduce odor, and prevent irritation. Add 1 tablespoon to your bathwater and soak for 15–20 minutes. It's a gentle, natural way to stay fresh without harsh chemicals. Important: always consult your doctor if you have infections or medical concerns. 6. Under eye brightener. Got dark circles or puffiness? Baking soda can come to the rescue. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of warm water to make a thin paste. Dab gently under your eyes and leave for 5–10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. It can help reduce puffiness and brighten tired eyes, but only use this trick 1 to 2 times a week. 7. Natural hair cleanser. If your hair feels greasy, heavy, or full of product buildup, baking soda can help. Add a teaspoon to your shampoo once a week. It acts as a clarifier, removing oil, dirt, and product residue, leaving your hair fresher and fuller. For DIY hair detox, mix baking soda and water into a paste. Apply to scalp, massage, and rinse after a few minutes. 8. Relieves itchy skin and rashes. Got bug bites, sunburn, or skin irritation? Baking soda soothes itchy, inflamed skin by calming the affected area and reducing redness. Just mix with water and apply the paste to the irritated spot. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse off. Safe for kids too. 9. Baking soda bath for full body detox. Want to feel completely refreshed? Add half a cup of baking soda to a warm bath. Soak in it for 20 minutes. This detoxifies your body, neutralizes acids, softens skin, and leaves you feeling recharged. It's a spa experience right in your own bathroom. 10. Teeth grinding and mouth ulcer relief. If you suffer from mouth ulcers or sore gums, baking soda can help. Its antibacterial properties fight infection and promote healing. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and swish in your mouth for 30 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day for relief from pain, inflammation, and mouth sores. 11. Weight loss boost. Flat belly trick. Here's a surprising tip. Some women use baking soda as a metabolism booster and belly bloat reducer. The most common method. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda, lemon juice, and warm water. Drink on an empty stomach once or twice a week. It may help with digestion, reduce acidity, and even support fat breakdown. But caution, don't overuse this trick. Excessive intake can be harmful. Always consult your doctor before starting. Quick recap of all 11 baking soda secrets for women. 1. Natural deodorant. 2. Acne-fighting face mask. 3. Teeth whitening. 4. Cracked heel remedy. 5. Feminine hygiene soak. 6. Under eye brightener. 7. Hair cleanser. 8. Rash and itch relief. 9. Detox bath. 10. Oral health rinse. 11. Weight loss support drink. Baking soda is not just a pantry item, it's a powerful, natural wellness tool every woman should know how to use. From beauty to hygiene to health, these tips are safe, simple, and effective when used wisely. So next time you pass by that little orange box of baking soda, remember it holds 11 powerful secrets that can transform your daily life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more life-changing health tips, and share with the women in your life who need to see this.